Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna go for the unboxing of this new LG 7.3 cubic feet dryer. This is a really good dryer that I have purchased recently and it has been delivered to me, and let's see what are the features it has got. Well, the very first thing I would like to go is for the installation. So basically this was a replacement of my existing dryer. So what I had to do, I just had to connect this duct with this dryer. So there is there's a point where you need to connect it so that the hot air goes out of this and it goes out of your house. This is really important that you clean the duct before you do this, because that's how you increase the efficiency and life of your machines. Even the plug point is really important. So the dryer I had it here was very old, so I had to replace it when it became malfunctioned, and this is what I purchased. So you can see that LG sensor dry, and if I come for operation, it is like normal heavy duty bedding delicates. You have all the controls, you can just rotate it and you can select that which one would you like. Well, but what I like here is, like, along with the automatic sensor, you can also set the time. Like you see time dry, I have 20, 40, 60. So I had the first run where I dried some cloths in 60 minutes and it was excellent. Like I selected medium temperature and I did it for 60 minutes and it was absolutely dry. In my old dryer, like, I used to run twice before I could make the same load of cloths dry. And even you can select dry level, very normal, damp, temperature level. Like, this is really good. You can even go for energy saver, less time, more time, and all such controls are there, which is really a great thing. And turning it on is very easy. Just you need to see, I just touched and it got turned on. If I press this, this is gonna start, but I don't want that, so I just need to check it here once and it got off. This is really a great advantage of this dryer. So my recommendation is, this is really good. Rest is up to you. And I have purchased it with additional warranty. It comes with 1 year of warranty, but I purchased additional warranty so that if anything goes wrong, I can use it. And if you have a house in Canada, you definitely need these things, where it's not possible for you to dry the clothes outside. Like in India, if you have seen, like, people dry clothes on their terrace, but here in this winter season, it's impossible. Outside it's snowing, you cannot dry your clothes for there, so you got to purchase this. So thanks for watching, guys.